Hey, my name is attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm a little bit sick today, but what I'm going to be doing is going over how you know whether or not you have the correct alleged onset date for your Social Security disability claim, specifically for supplemental security income. Okay, so this is the SSI Title 16 claim. Let's go ahead and talk. You know that you have the correct alleged onset date for supplemental security income when your AOD matches your PFD. What do I mean? Your alleged onset date matches your protective filing date. Why? Because the statute basically for SSI requires that your AOD match your PFD. Okay? So that means at the end of the day that so long as your alleged onset date matches your protective filing date, being the date in which you filed your initial filing documentation, then you're all set for SSI. SSDI is way more trickier. Well, it's way trickier rather, so way more tricky. Either way, let's go ahead and check that out in the next video. My name is attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm very sick today, but I'm going to be okay. Remember, by the time you watch this video, go ahead and see if there's more up-to-date information. If you want to, give me a call. Also, if you have a unique question for a unique claim, give me a call. And if this video helped you, go ahead and leave a positive review on Avo. Thanks so much. Bye-bye. Hey, my name is attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III, and I'm with Disability Resolution PA. Today what we're going to be talking about is SSDI, Social Security Disability Insurance, what most people refer to as just basic disability. We're going to be talking about basically how to figure out what the alleged onset date is for that type of Title II SSDI claim. All right, let's go ahead and begin. There are certain factors that I use at my law firm. These aren't all of them, but these are the main ones that I use to go ahead and define and find when the likely alleged onset date is. Now, this is a precursor until we get up to that administrative law judge hearing. The reason why is I use this to try and get a roundabout answer from people as to when their disability became so severe that they likely became disabled under the Social Security Administration's T2 federal law. Alright, so let's go ahead and talk. Here are some of the things that I use. I check to see when the person started having difficulty at work, stopped working part-time, stopped working full-time, received accommodations at work, first doctor's visit, last doctor's visit, returned to work, initially filed for disability, disability affected socializing, disability affected transportation, last time in a penal institution, last time in a detox/rehab institution, last time in school, last time in a mental institution, date of accident/incident, date of last disability denial. Okay? These are some pretty main factors that I use to go forth and figure out ... whether or not an individual is likely to have an alleged onset date before or after a certain date that they think they might have had. Now, ultimately, when we go to trial, okay, the reason why we know a little bit better when they're going to have an alleged onset date is because at the end of the day, the medical documentation is going to prove de facto at what point that person became severely disabled, because we're going to have it in paper form, black and white, from the actual medical facilities, whether it's Parish Hospital, Florida Hospital, or MC Aspire Health Partners, whatever. So that's how it works, guys. My name is attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA. You have an absolutely wonderful day. And remember, by the time you watch this video, the information may be old, so give me a call and I'll give you the most up-to-date information. Also, remember, I'm a little bit sick today, that if this video helped you in any way, go ahead and leave a positive Avo review, because I'm trying to get a bunch on there and use that website. I hate Avo, I don't like it, but it seems to be the standard of what people are using, even though their rating system is ridiculous. But anyway, my name is attorney Walter Hnot. You have a great day, and we'll catch up from there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.